Hi, Chris Belfer here with another video. In today's video, we're really going to talk about how we can strengthen our low back, or strengthen our core, and really to really prevent low back pain, or for people suffering from low back pain, it can help give you some relief. Obviously, this is a disclaimer for those, it's not, going to be a cure for anything, but a lot of times this will help prevent strengthening that back pain, because it's going to help strengthen the core. These are a few simple ones that you can do to help this along, regardless of your age or your lifestyle. We'll help work through it, okay? So the very first one is a little bit more of a stretch. And so what we're going to do is just kind of lay on our back and put our feet up with our knees bent with our feet flat on the floor. And we're going to basically want to pull our belly button in. So you're going to be pulling that in because you want to pull this whole core together. So you're basically going to be pulling in your belly button. And then you're going to spring up one leg. And put your arms around your knee and just bring that up and squeeze that into your chest. You want to start to feel a slight pull somewhere there. If you're starting to feel pain and any sensations, or physical pain, you want to stop. Okay? And you want to hold that for 3 to 6 seconds. Drop it down, and then do the same thing with the other knee. Bring it up, squeeze it until you feel it pulling. If you feel any pain or discomfort, you stop. Bring it down, and then you alternate again. And you can do that 6-8 times. The next exercises are probably similar if you're into yoga. These are some really good core exercises. And the first one is called the bird dog. And really what you're going to do is you're just going to bring out your right arm nice and straight ahead of your head here. And then you're going to lift your leg. And then you're going to just hold that for 3 to 4 seconds. Bring it back down. And then you're going to alternate. So now your left arm goes out. Your right leg goes out. Hold for 3-4 seconds. Bring it in. And again, you're going to do that 10 to 15 times. If this becomes easy or it's too simple for you, you can add to that. So as you bring out your arm, you can bring your knee, try to touch it. You don't have to, even if you can come part way down, but it's bringing it up, back out, hold, opposite, up. And if you can, touch your knee with your elbow, back up, hold, alternate again. Again, 10 to 15 times. That's really if you're more for preventing back pain. Again, if you're suffering from back pain, you may not be able to do the elbow to knee one, but just as a preventative if you do suffer from back pain. The other thing would be, again, more of a called the CatCow if you're into yoga. But again, you're simply going to be pulling in your belly button in upwards. So you're going to be pulling it up. And as you breathe in, you're going to pull your back upwards, just like a cow. You roll your head down. So you got that little curve like a cat. And then you're going to breathe out. And now you're going to sink your back down and below, lifting your head straight up. Again, cat. Out to cow. In and out. Perfect. And again, you want to do that 10 to 15 times. The last one is more of actually some pressure points that I like to give people that do suffer from back pain. And it's really simple. What you want to do is, I'll show you on the diagram here on the fake spine, is you want to be pushing on these points. These are your ASIS, is your anterior part of your ilium, so your pelvis. And really what you want to do is be having your finger on those points. Often if your pelvis is out of balance, or if you do have back pain, these points tend to be tender. So on the body, they're usually those bony points that you can feel. So as you can kind of go, you can kind of see them kind of stick out in some people. And those are the points you want to rub. You want to rub those for 30 to 60 seconds. If you notice that one's tender, by the time the 30 to 60 seconds are done, you'll notice that tenderness goes away. If it doesn't, you want to rub them again for another 30 to 60 seconds. So simple exercise, you can do 7-8 minutes every day to really prevent back pain, or prevent recurring back pain, and strengthen that core. Thanks again. We'll talk again soon.